With me coming back to school, all the bills landed on me after my mom's accident. And there was a couple, like the SMUD bill that was past due. And we received the pay or your light will be turned off letter in the mail. With being able to get that check and that emergency fund, it helped me be able to pay that past due balance and a little extra, so I knew the following month it wasn't going to be the same situation.
Financial aid is available to community college students, but not for these unexpected emergencies that come up. That's why the Student Emergency Fund is a crucial opportunity to help students complete their work towards a degree and a better life.
The car that I'm using, it broke down, and I think this is it. And somebody in the background heard me. They just overheard me, and they said, "I think that qualifies for a student emergency." And she said, "Oh, here, let me see. Oh, yeah, here." And just like that, the car is done. It's like the next day, and I'm back on track. And that's where I felt like I can figure this out.
I was working in a lab job in industry at a mushroom farm, and it just really inspired me to take the leap and come back to school. But it came about in a way where I was basically didn't have anywhere to live. It was the end of the summer, and I had just spent kind of the last of my savings to kind of get my supplies ready for the semester. I was looking for rooms and different apartments and things, but nothing was really coming together, and so I needed just a little bit of a runway to be able to find a place to stay.
That helped me not focus so much on the financial part of my life and actually concentrate in my classes and assignments.
The Student Emergency Fund to me took a big obstacle, the broken down car, and created this pathway to success.
For me, I feel an immense gratitude for the opportunity to stay in school and to have that kind of support. I can safely say I probably wouldn't be here at this moment if that wasn't for that, so I'll be forever thankful for that.
There is no better time than right now to make your gift to the Student Emergency Fund. So I encourage you to go to the website for the Los Rios Colleges Foundation and make your gift today.